Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Fashion. This video is about flower nails. Flower nails are versatile and essential tools for both amateur and professional bakers. Widely used the art of cake decorating, these specialized tools serve as a fundamental aid in creating intricate and lifelike floral designs that elevate the aesthetics of cake, cupcakes, and the various confectionery delights. With their unique shape and purposes, flower nails have become a staple in the repertoire of baking aesthetics worldwide. The anatomy of flower nail is relatively simple yet ingenious. Typically, it consists of a cylinder metal rod with a flat circular top that serves as a platform for shaping delicate petals and intricate flower designs. The service of the nails enables bakers to craft flower of craving size from the petals blossom flowers of simple individuals seeking a practical versatile approach to their beauty regimen in an era characterized by the dynamic lifestyle and the multifaceted responsibilities. The ease and versatility of the simple nail aesthetics offer a seamless and a low maintenance solution of those desiring and polished look without the need of frequent touch ups or elaborate upkeep. In the accents of the art of a simple example, life are harmonious blend to the minimalistic and suffocation. The accents of timeless elegance and the effortless refinement as the individual continue to embrace the understand a layer of simplicity in their nail care routines. The enduring appeal of clean and well-maintained nails stands as a testament to the enduring beauty that lies in the art of less is more. Moreover, the simplicity of nature could not be excluded in the air-refined poise, but also promote the cultivation of healthy nail habits. By prioritizing the maintenance of the well-shaped and nearly trimmed nails, individually can foster the health, the strength of their natural nails, minimizing the risk of the damage, promoting long-term nail validity. Embracing simplicity in nail care can thus serve as a fundamental steps during nurturing, optimizing nail health and the silence.